Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious ramen bowl. The journey to a perfect ramen begins with its soul, the broth. This liquid gold sets the entire tone for your dish. You can opt for a light shio, a creamy tonkatsu, or a robust miso base. Whichever you choose, remember that simmering bones and aromatics for at least 6 hours is key to extracting those deep, satisfying flavors. This long, slow cook time is truly worth the effort for an authentic taste. Next up, let's talk about the noodles and protein. The noodles are crucial, so cook them al dente, ensuring they retain a slight chewiness. For protein, traditional chashu pork, braised for several hours, offers an unparalleled melt-in-your-mouth experience. If pork isn't your preference, consider adding perfectly marinated soft-boiled eggs, often called ajitama, or some thinly sliced, grilled chicken breast. Each option brings its own unique texture and flavor to the bowl. Now, let's brighten up our ramen with fresh vegetables and aromatics. These elements add crucial texture, color, and additional layers of flavor. Consider adding blanched spinach, sweet corn kernels, or tender bamboo shoots for a delightful crunch. A generous sprinkle of thinly sliced scallions and a drizzle of fragrant chili oil will awaken your senses. Don't forget a sheet of nori seaweed. It provides a wonderful umami depth and a classic ramen aesthetic. Finally, it's time for the grand assembly. A crucial tip is to warm your serving bowls beforehand. This helps keep your ramen hot for longer. First, place your perfectly cooked noodles into the warm bowl, then ladle in the steaming hot broth. Next, artfully arrange all your delicious toppings, ensuring a beautiful presentation. Remember, ramen is best enjoyed immediately, so serve it right away to savor every single slurp of its incredible flavors and textures. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.